What's up everybody, welcome back to my kitchen where safety is number one priority, and today I'm going to put to the test 10 kitchen gadgets. I think this is part 39. Let's see what I got this time. You know how I always say safety is number one priority? Well, guess what? I got here safety onion goggles, so that way you never cry again. So let's open them up, and I got a bunch of onions. Hopefully it won't let me cry. My head is almost too big on those ones. They don't go all the way in. Okay, I have here an onion. Oh yeah, it smells really bad. Juice it up. Put it in my eyes. So far so good. Oh, it's getting in my throat. But yeah, ooh, it's burning my nose. They do protect a little bit. Okay, let's start without it. Juice it up. Oh yeah, ooh, without glasses. Oh yeah, it hurts. Hurts a little bad. Yep, I'm starting to tear up. Ooh, let me put the glasses back on. See if it's not going to be as bad. So I got the onion right here. Got it. You know what, with glasses, whoa, they actually kind of work. For sure, this glass is actually pretty good. I didn't expect for them to work, but they do work. Because if I completely take off the glasses and hold this onion next to my eyes, oh yeah, ow, it's painful. Ooh! So thumbs up for me for these onion goggles. For the next gadget, I got here onion core. And I'm actually, since I have few onion gadgets, I'm gonna wear onion goggles. Let's see if I'm going to cry at all or not. So I got an onion here. I guess you'd chop it up like this or core it on this side. Wait, this way. Still learning how it works. Boom, this side and this side. Yeah, goggles definitely helps because I'm not crying at all. And I guess I can just go inside here and remove that side too. I mean, it's not bad. I could probably do the same thing with the knife though. Honestly, with the knife it's probably will be even easier. I can chop it like this, and go like that. Boom. So actually even faster with this awesome gadget. So I might stay with the knife instead of this onion slicer, core, or whatever. For the next gadget, I got here onion chopper, but in a sense it looks like an apple slicer. So you put the onion like that, I'll assume, and boom. Did it cut off in the small pieces? Nope. It's more like line side now. Let's try to do it a little bit better way. You know what? This glass is saving my life right now because I would be crying so bad. Oh yeah, I can just pull it out like that. Boom. Okay, let's see if there's a better way to do it. Maybe it'll be better to go like that. Boom. And all the way down. Still, it has this long pieces. So in case you want long pieces of onions, you can chop it like that into long pieces. Maybe the best way to go with this and chop it in half like that, lay it down, and then go like that. And then finish it off. Boom. Let's see how well it's chopped. Yep, this is way better into smaller pieces. Of course, you just have to break it apart. Let's try this again. Into small pieces again. You see, there's tiny pieces. I love it. Ooh, it stinks like an onion so bad. Even with goggles don't work that well. Ow, I'm crying right now. For the next gadget, I got here twin curl cutter. Let's see what it does. So you cut your cucumber like this, or pickle, whatever you want to call this thing, and then this gonna go inside here, and let's see what happens. This is might be not big enough. Maybe it will be just big enough. That's perfect. That's cool. Okay, let me try to use this again with a different cucumber. You stab it too all the way down and then you just spin it. See what happens. Whoops, went a bit to the side, but anyways, let's pull it out. For some reason it don't want to come out. Oh, there you go. I'll break it apart. Whoa, look at that. That looks very appetizing actually, and you can even untwist it. So awesome. Okay, let's try this again, see what happens. Oh, went to the side a little bit, but still looks cool. Check this out. I like that a lot. So you get this very unique, very interesting spirals right here, and then you can just take them apart. You gotta be very careful not to break them, and just think of different vegetables you can do this with. Super cool. And then you can intervene them with the different color ones, and it will be pretty interesting design. I like this thing a lot. For the next gadget I got here can opener, easy open, but it's can like that, like sodas or this kind. So whenever you push it in, you pull it, easy. You grab it like this, put it in, and that way you don't have to break your nails. So easy. Let me do it with the soda can. These tabs are even smaller, so it's a bit even harder to open it. So all you have to do is just push it in, and that way it opens, and then you can finish it off. So that way you don't have to keep squeezing your nail in there. So once you lift it up, the rest is easy. Pretty awesome gadget, but it's way better gadget for the other cans where you just completely pull it off. For the next I got here garlic press. Look how cool that is. I never seen anything like that. Okay, let me show you why this thing is so awesome. You put garlic into here, and then you just press it with the whole weight of your body. Boom. Second one. Boom. Third one maybe. Boom. Wow, this is so easy. I'll do the fourth one. Boom. Look at that, all the way. Then you lift this up. And where's all the garlic? Oh, all the garlic is right here. So you probably could use a knife to dump it down. But whoa, look how much garlic there is. That's probably way more than enough. I really like it because you don't have to squeeze it with your fingers. You're squeezing it with the whole hand. So easy, love it. For the next gadget I got here garlic zoom. Let's open it up and see what it's all about. So you grab your garlic, stick it in, and there's few blades in there. So I think maybe 4 pieces. That's already a lot. Close it and go up and down and check this out, what happens. All the garlic is getting chopped up with 1, 2, 3 blades. And the cooler part is this is rubber and there's gears in there, so that's how the blade spins and chopping everything up. Wow, so cool. Then you can take it out, and you got right here chopped garlic, quite a bit. Let me open it. You see all those blades, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how it chops it all up. Very nice gadget. I like that one a lot. It chopped the garlic really well. For the next gadget I got right here another garlic press. So I guess you stick the garlic into here, and the coolest part is you can really stuff it with a lot of garlic. That's like already a lot of garlic. I don't think I will even need to use that much. Then simply what you have to do is just pull this out to the side, and let's see how this works. You just spin it, I guess. Yep. A really cool gadget because it holds a lot of garlic. And the press does a good job. You can see a lot of garlic goes from the wrong side. Wow, look at that. This is very easy, by the way. I don't have to use the pressing motion. All I have to do is just twist it, and it's gonna go all the way to the end and press all the garlic. Awesome. And also easy to clean. Just spin it backwards, take this out, and stick it all in a washing machine. For the next gadget I have here my favorite jar opener. I actually use this kind all the time. Look at that. You can use it for a regular bottle. Boom. And look, there's blade over here, not too sharp, but it's go into the lid and pulls it out so easily. So you initially open those kombuchas, you all know really how to open, but with this thing you have so much leverage, easy. And also with the big lids right here, no problem to open it. With these jars, oh yeah, do you see it? Popped. Next jar too, especially honey. Honey is really hard to open a lot of times. Boom, with this gadget it's so easy. By the way, this is my honey from last year. Looks so delicious. So I really love this gadget, and I actually keeping this. This is my second one. It opens any kind of lid. I love it. For the next gadget I got here, very strange mini cutting board. Let's see what it's all about. Looks like it says it folds into the tomato slicer. So in the instruction it tells you you gotta put it, line it up like this, all the way down. The only problem though, I might need a bigger knife. Boom. All the way down in half. Actually it works out. I'm figuring it out. Let's try this one more time. As you can see, I have different tomatoes and stuff. And then just chop it down. Boom, right in half and go down. And look at them, they all half. It might be a little bit easier with a longer knife. I have a little bit longer knife right here. So let's cut it down, all the way down. Boom, very nice. And just roll it down. What about orange? Let's try to use, boom. Then I can put them like that. Boom. Let's see if I can slice them up one more time. Actually, I'm gonna stick them like that to slice them up. Just use your imagination. And one more time. This could be a really good lemon slicer. Boom. And you have here perfect slices. In half. Then I'm gonna lay them like that. Another half. A little bit slides on me, but there you go. And one more half. I'm probably gonna do only two like that. This knife is so much better. Boom, you have here perfect slices. And one more time. Boom. I mean, use your imagination. This is very unique cutting board, and I see the potential, so thumbs up for me. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.